In next 100 years, most of people that you are seeing right now, me and you, will not be more alive. In next 100 years, all of us will no more alive. But the main thing is that in next 100 years, where will you be? Ask yourself this question. In next 100 years, where will I be? Will I be in heaven or will I be in hellfire? This is the question that you're supposed to ask yourself, so that you will prepare yourself to go to a better place, which is heaven. And before you enter this heaven, you will live a holiness and righteous life. You will follow the footsteps of Jesus before you go to that heaven. In next 100 years, brother and sister, where will you be? Ask your neighbor, in next 100 years, where will you be? Will you be in heaven? Will you be on hellfire? Because life is too short. We live few years on this earth. Heaven forever, hellfire forever. Thank you. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagoba. Shalom.